So oxidizing and reducing agents. So some terminology here. A reducing agent loses electrons because the other one is reduced. It is the thing that's doing the reducing. So therefore, the reducing agent, because it loses electrons, it undergoes oxidation. Its oxidation number increases. These are all equivalent. So a reducing agent loses electrons because it's the other guy that's reduced. It undergoes oxidation, and which means that therefore its oxidation number increases. An oxidizing agent, on the other hand, gains electrons because it's the other guy that's oxidized. It undergoes reduction. It's oxidizing the other guy, so it itself is reduced, and its oxidation number. So let's look at this. So to recognize a redox reaction, we look for a change in the oxidation number of atoms when it goes from reactants to products. So we look at this and we go, okay, I see iron on both sides, but something looks suspicious. It doesn't look, it looks like it's changed a little bit. So Fe2O3, here the oxidation number is -2 on the oxygen. So this is -6. The iron, there's 2 of them, and so the iron has to be in a +3 state for this to be 0, and that would give +6 here. That'd be 0 overall. Let's look at carbon monoxide. So oxygen will be -2. The carbon will be +2. Now on the other side, iron, it's elemental iron, so its oxidation number is 0. With respect to elemental iron, it doesn't have any more or less electrons because it is elemental iron. Now in this case, we have that the oxygen is -2, and but there's 2 of them, so the carbon has to be in +4. So what we have here in this reaction, we have Fe3 plus going to iron, and therefore it's reduced, or in other words, iron oxide is the oxidizing agent. And carbon, the carbon goes from a +2 oxidation number to a +4 oxidation number. That means it is oxidized, but that means by definition it is also the reducing agent. It's the reducing agent. You could also say that carbon monoxide, CO, is the reducing agent. They're both different ways of saying the same thing. Either that it's the element whose oxidation number is changing that's reducing agent, or the compound in which the atom that has a change of oxidation number is changing. So you could say either carbon is the oxidizing agent here, or carbon monoxide, carbon is oxidized and therefore is the reducing agent, or carbon monoxide is oxidized. It's oxidized, it goes from CO to CO2, and therefore it is the reducing agent.